welcome back to another show of
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to another episode of Aii Talks. I'm the host for today's episode.
Wait, I'm the host. I'm Jake. I'm the host of Aii Talks. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a very wonderful guest today, and his name is Chaingon Bon. Let's welcome Chaingon. Okay.
Thank you.
Hello, Chaingon. How are you doing today?
I'm very great.
I know. You just got my intro spill. That's mine, okay? I'm the host. You know that, right?
No, I'm the host.
Okay, let's settle this first before we start the show. I'm the host. You are my guest. Is that okay?
Okay.
Okay, great. Okay, finally we've settled. I'll repeat again. Good evening, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Aii Talks. I'm Jake, your host for today. And today's episode is very special because we have a captivating boy, or should I say, a captivating boy from Aii Churchungwa campus, and we call him the Wonder Boy. Let's find out why. Okay. How old are you again?
I'm 10 years old and I study at Kid 11.
Kid 11. When did you start studying at AII Language Center?
When I was probably like around 7 years old.
7 years old. You started young. You're 11 now. Right now, we're doing this interview so that we can also capture Cambodian hearts, and maybe out there somewhere in the world, whoever is listening, because you know we're posting it on YouTube, right? Okay, so I like talking to people. How about you? What is your special skills or talent?
My special skills and talents are singing, a little bit of dancing, and my creativity in creating my own songs.
No way. You know how to create or write your own songs? There's a Justin Bieber, Taylor Swift along the way right here. Okay, and we will find out a little later about that. Is that fine?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Are you also part of any school clubs or events here at Churchungwa campus?
Yes, I'm actually part of many events.
Many, like I cannot count them.
More than enough.
Okay, sure. Give me some of them.
So for example, I was the MC of the Pre-Kid 4 Recognition Day. And many contests like pronunciation contests.
Okay.
And I got third place.
Third place. Wow. Let's give him a big hand for getting a third place, everyone. That's fantastic. I think when I first joined any contest, I lose. I join another contest, I lose again. They say there's a beginner's luck. I never get the beginner's luck. But I think yours is not a beginner's luck. Yours is part of hard work and sheer determination, and that's fantastic. We are very, very happy that you're here with us right now. Are you happy?
I'm amazing.
Okay, good. Since you're feeling amazing, then we'll give you a chance now to show the world what special skills you got out there. You said you can write songs? And this is an original song?
Yeah.
Okay. I think you will hit the center stage right here so you can show that song to us, okay? What's the title of this song?
The title of the song is called Moon Grace.
Moon Grace. What's the inspiration behind this song? How did you create this song?
My inspiration to this song is one of my favorite characters in one of my favorite games.
Oh, okay. That's fantastic. So, ladies and gentlemen, brace yourselves as we hear Chaingon on his debut song, original song, Moon Grace.